In this video, I will show you the best settings for gaming on your iPad Air. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Focus. Under the Focus settings, tap on the plus icon at the upper right corner on the screen, and from this pop-up menu, just select Gaming. Tap on Customize Focus, and from here, just customize the focus settings for gaming. You just tap on People, and select Silence Notifications From, and from here you can select specific contacts from which you don't want to receive notifications while you're gaming. And also you can do the same thing with the apps. Just tap on Apps, and you can select the apps from which you don't want to receive notifications while gaming. Now after you set up the gaming focus settings, you will get a more focused gaming experience. But if you want to improve the performance of the games while you're gaming, then in the main settings page, just tap on General, and under the General settings, just tap on Background App Refresh. And from here, just disable the toggle for all the apps over here so that they do not refresh in the background. Just leave this toggle enabled for the important apps on your iPad, like for messaging apps and etc. Now after you disable the toggle for all the apps over here, then go back to the main settings page and tap on Battery. Over here, just scroll down, and if low power mode is enabled on your iPad, just turn it off. Because when low power mode is enabled on your iPad will prioritize the battery life over the performance of your iPad. And if this feature is enabled, the performance of your iPad will be significantly lowered down while you're gaming. So make sure you disable this toggle to get a better gaming experience. Now finally, before you start gaming, just open the Recent Apps section and remove all the apps from the Recent Apps section so that they do not run in the background and they will not consume the RAM of your iPad. And one more last tip, just make sure you charge the battery of your iPad to more than 50% before gaming, so you could get a better gaming experience. And these are the best settings for gaming for your iPad Air. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.